Tackle Angler Fishing Report. I'm Captain John Foweiler, and this is Captain David King.
How you doing, John?
Good. How are you doing?
Good.
Good. Well, it's a little bit cloudy today, huh? But
little overcast.
I
think this is the precast with the overcast before the wind comes. Windy weekend in store.
Windy, yes. But it's March. What are you going to do?
The winds are marching in. April should bring us some good weather, so just bring it on.
And you can see that blue water in back of us. So the water's right. So we just need the wind to stop a little bit.
And I think they're talking the forecast all the way up till Wednesday before the winds are going to start decreasing. 7 to 10 foot sea. So
ouch.
We're going to have a little chill time, get the boat ready, do some boat works. But let's talk a little bit about fishing.
All right, let's go inshore. John B. Flying Light Tackle is still talking about the snook fishing around the bridges. He's talking about the Palm City Bridge has been really good. He said the Pompano have been really good about on Sailfish Flats and in that area. He also talked about up on Sailfish Flats in the shallow water that there have been redfish, school of them, but he said they won't eat for some reason. So that's pretty neat there. Also, let's go offshore now.
Well, the Lady Stewart had some great reports. We finally had a good little dose of weather there. The seas were down. We had a light north current. Lady Stewart had a couple of really good trips. Once again, we're hearing about those mutton snapper, and that's a good thing since in June they're going to take away our red snapper, so let's replace them with mutton snapper. So great reports of mutton snapper up into the double-digit range, so that was great. Triggerfish, sea bass, really large sea bass. They had gag grouper up to 15 pounds. They also had limits of lane snapper and vermilion snapper, and they talking a nice cobia in the 25 to 30 pound range. So, I mean, that's on a headboat doing that good. That is a really good sign, how the fishing is, which the end of March, April should be good bottom fishing. So we had good reports of, the bottom activity and the top activity. We had a couple of troll boats call in, a handful of dolphin, handful of kingfish. But I think those good dolphin catches are right around the corner. Sounds good. We're going to move up into Port St. Lucie. Billy Bones was talking about how great the trout fishing has been on the flats. They're moving up closer to that 2 foot of water where you can start throwing those top waters, and that's so much fun, is throwing the top waters. Watching them explode on those baits.
They're talking about Pompano up at Club Med, and there's been a few triple tails coming in around in the inlets and on the buoys. And I guess we don't have an offshore off of Port St. Lucie, so we'll go right up to Fort Pierce.
You want to do inshore?
Sure, I'll do inshore. White's had a good report about trout and redfish. There's been some redfish up towards the moorings flat. They've been schooling a lot, and again, they weren't biting for whatever reason. The water has moved to like 72 to 74 degrees, so the flats fishing can only get better. Same with the offshore too. Let's see what else. They said a bunch of snook they've been catching off the turning basin using jigs. So how about offshore? Offshore,
one thing we'll also mention that there's lots of live bait starting to move in on the South Beach in Fort Pierce, from the inlet all the way down to Ocean Village, down to the power plant. Schools of threadfin herring. Pilchards haven't quite. There was a couple little schools of pilchards moving in. But so we got bait on the North Beach, the South Beach, which that's a good sign. Also, we're hearing of some nice kingfish mixed in with them. Spanish mackerel, big giant pods of jacks still coming down the beach. And the jacks are moving from the south to the north, so we're starting to get that north migration, which kind of triggers our springtime stuff. Also offshore, we're getting big kingfish into the 30-pound range, and a few larger ones. Also cobia to 50 pounds.
Wow.
So we've had the rays come by, the rays are going back, the rays are coming by again. We're getting a lot of cobia in the area, up to 50 pounds. And that means, like, usually when we start getting those big ones, that our body of fish is kind of in the area. So we're probably in the prime of our cobia season right now. That's been the best thing from whites that we heard about. I mean, of course, the bottom fishing, trolling's been pretty good. But that's probably the best fishing we're talking about is the king fishing right now.
DeBrooks inshore was saying that the weak fish are on that first reef and the sheep's head. They've been using little shrimp and squid for them. That's a lot of fun, light tackling. You're actually offshore, so I'm kind of stealing your thunder a little bit. He said the trout were only okay, is what he heard. Also, the fishing center, they said the trout was real good. So it just depends what people go into the shops. The trout were real good in 2 to 4 feet. Cal jigs have been about the best. Also, look for us on lighttackleangler.com. Join us there. Tell us your stories. And if they wanted to tell the stories to you, how would they get a
They
hold of
can
you?
call me on my cell, 772-979-6068. Leave me a nice message, or we could talk about it. Or if you're in the South Beach in Fort Pierce, just past the Coast Guard station, I'm usually at the Subway Sandwich Shop 4 or 5 days a week.
$5 foot long.
Yeah, have that foot long. We'll talk a little fishing,
Right.
a little fishing, maybe another foot long. Take one home for dinner. But yeah, give us some fishing reports or call us tonight. We'll be on from
that's right. Yeah.
6:30 to 7 on WIRA 464-1400 with a fishing report. We've got a good call in.
Yes.
Talk a little bit about some great fishing. Give us some stories. Please stop by or give us a call or visit the website.
Right, LightTackleAngler.com. You have any more to add?
Sit tight, do some boat work this week. We got a lot of wind.
Right.
Come the middle of the week, towards the end of the week, the seas are going to fall down. By next weekend, we'll have good fishing. There'll be some out-of-control fishing.
Exactly.
Water temperatures are warm.
Yes.
The temperature in the high 70s, 80s every day. This is time to start catching some fish.
Everything's
Dolphin
gonna explode,
migration time,
right.
too.
Yes. All right, well, thank you for joining us on the Light Tackle Angler Fishing Report. We'll see you again next week.
Thanks.